Hi, welcome to CrochetSmash. Today we are going to make a cat motif, just like this one. Okay, here we go. I have my yarn, Red Heart. This is Red Heart Comfort, and we are going to make a magic ring. It's like this. Then this, and step by step with one more chain. Then we are going to make 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now pull this yarn ring to make it tight. Okay, it's tight now, and we are going to start over with the next round, the second round, by doing 2 single crochet in each of the single crochet we done before. There's so many single crochets in one sentence, so here is the first single crochet, and we will use a yarn marker to mark it. Okay, 1, 2 in the same stitch, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We are working continuously up to this one. There was no joining. Now we are going to join to the first one with a slip stitch. Okay, now we move on to the next one. Another slip stitch because I want to go to the next one. Okay, now there is a single crochet here. We're going to do everything in this stitch. Okay, 1 single crochet done, then 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, now 1 treble crochet, then we make a picot. 1, 2, and here, and we make another double crochet, then a half double crochet, then a single crochet. Now I slip stitch to the next stitch. Now another slip stitch and another, and on the 4th chain from here we make another single crochet. Then the same stitch we do a half double crochet, a double crochet, a treble crochet, 1, 2, 3, and a picot, 1, 2, 3, no, not 3, 2 chains and slip stitch to the top of the, then double crochet, then a half double crochet and a single crochet, and then again make sure just do the next stitch, slip stitch there, one more slip stitch. Okay, see, you can cut your yarn. Pull it through here, through the loop, and there you have it. Okay, cat motif.